Why did the body go to school? To get a little element-eri education in balancing its inner universe. The living body is a mini-universe governed by the same forces that govern the external world. Think of the living body as a mini-universe, following the same blockbuster universal forces that govern everything from tiny ants to giant galaxies. It's like our body is hosting its own cosmic party with 5 special guests: ether, air, fire, water, and earth. Imagine if Captain Planet had a reunion. That's us every day. Now, life entering our body is like the ultimate mixer of these elemental forces. It's not just a casual meet and greet. It's a dynamic fusion of air-ether, the cool and breezy duo, fire, the life of the party, and water-earth, the chill, down-to-earth pair. They don't just hang out. They tango, twist, and twirl in a beautiful dance that keeps us alive and kicking. But here's the twist: balanced living, which includes munching on wholesome foods, pizza, getting our sweat on with exercise, and doing good deeds, like not stealing your neighbor's Wi-Fi, is like being the DJ at this elemental party. The right tunes, or in this case, lifestyle choices, keep the elements grooving in harmony. It's all about not letting any element hog the dance floor. Too much fire and things get overheated. Too much water, and it's like a weepy, romantic movie marathon. This equilibrium we're spinning is not just about avoiding a cold or fitting into those jeans from high school. It's the secret sauce to a fabulous physical and spiritual harmony. It's like having a Zen garden in your soul while running a marathon. A perfect blend of peace and power. Maintaining this balance is like walking a tightrope while juggling. It requires focus, practice, and maybe avoiding looking down. But get it right, and you're not just healthy. You're a walking, talking universe, complete with your own stars, planets, and maybe a couple of black holes. We all have our mysteries. So, as we navigate the cosmic complexities of our body universe, remember, it's all about harmony. Eat well, move more, and be nice. Not just for the sake of fitting into a universal pattern, but to keep the party in our microcosm universe hopping, popping, and never stopping.